Look, in your life, there's a lot of things you can't control. But there's an equal amount of things that you can control. And too many times, you end up focusing on the things that you can't control and thinking that your life is over. I want you to focus on these 6 things that you can control in your life that I promise you, you're gonna change it around. Let's hop into this. Number 1, women. Yes, you can control the flow of women in your life. You can control whether you have a girlfriend or not. See, too many times you're beating yourself up thinking you can't get a girlfriend because you're too ugly or weird. The reality is, it's not that you're too ugly, it's that you're not putting yourself out there. Women are not just gonna rain on you. You have to actively step out, which means creating dating profiles, joining hobbies and other interests where you can meet other people of similar interests, going out with friends. You have to actively look and search in multiple locations where you can start connecting with people, and I promise you, your chances of getting a girlfriend will go 10x. Number 2, your self-perception. See, this is so powerful you don't understand. If you perceive yourself as more attractive and more confident, you're gonna walk around with that aura and people are gonna pick that up, and by default, they're gonna perceive you in that similar manner. I'm gonna give you a great example of this. Fragrances. They work this way. There's actually a scientific study that proved this. See, fragrances is not only that they make you smell good and that's why you get the compliment, it's because you apply a fragrance, you then like how you smell, your self-perception goes up, and because you walk around with that confidence, people find you more attractive. That is the true power of a fragrance. This is why I've always said everybody needs a good fragrance. You apply that thing in the morning, you automatically will feel better about yourself. This is why we created Santa Lucia. See, I love luxury fragrances, and I'm talking about the high-end stuff, the stuff that's like $500 a bottle. The great part with them is that since it's so concentrated, this high-end stuff is usually very concentrated in oil, this stuff lasts a lot longer during the day, and the bottle lasts longer because you need less sprays. Well, I wanted to do that exact same thing, but on a more affordable level. So we went to France. I told you the story. We designed 3 fragrances for every single aspect of your life: love, to conquer, and every day. And these 3 fragrances are handmade in France, which is the fragrance capital of the world, with the best oils in the world and the highest level of concentration. I'm basically giving you top of the line quality. This is the best of the best. This compares to anything high-end that you can buy, and I promise you, the scent will not only get you compliments, you're gonna fall in love with yourself. Your self-perception will go up. Look, our fragrances sell out all the time. I think if you go now, most of them are sold out. I do think we have 1 fragrance left. If I were you, roll into the new year smelling great. If you guys want to check out Santa Lucia, pick up just 1 fragrance, start the year right, and see just how your self-perception will go up. Click that link down below if you guys want to check out Santa Lucia. Number 3, your income. Yes, you can control your income. See, your income is just a direct correlation to your own value that you provide. So the more skills that you learn, the more valuable skills you learn, the more you can earn through your business, or the more you can use for your academia if you're pursuing a career there, or the more you can demand from pay because you're more valuable to certain companies. The point is, what you get paid is a direct proportion of the value you provide. So if you ever want to increase your income, your first thing should be, what skills can I learn? Whether it's freelancing or if it's within a company, all right, what does my company need that I can learn, add to my skill set, become proficient, and then you can go and ask for a raise and be like, look, I can do this and this at a high level. When you do that, you're controlling your own income and you can level it up. Number 4, your body language. This is powerful. See, I want you to always have a relaxed and open body language. When you do this in any room you walk into, this is gonna give you instant confidence. People are gonna perceive you as more attractive, and they're gonna perceive you as more friendly and approachable, which is what you want when you're trying to meet people. The problem that most guys do is that when they feel awkward, to not show that they are awkward, they'll close up. They'll stiffen up and they'll act almost standoffish, like they're too cool for the room because they don't want people to see that they're actually nervous. Instead of doing that, I want you to always have that open, relaxed body language. Be cool, be relaxed. This gives you that dominance and cool aura that's gonna make you look attractive. Number 5, your sleep. The National Lung, Heart, and Blood Institute says that sleep is one of those critical inputs that are crucial for optimal physical and mental performance, as well as maintaining a good quality life. And see, all those 3 things, your physical performance, your mental performance, and a quality of life, you have direct control over when you control your sleep. And you can control your sleep. That's one of the things that you can actually input in your life. One of the things that I do that changed my life, having a schedule. Every night, I go to sleep at 10. Every morning, I'll wake up around 4:30. I give myself around 6.5 hours of quality sleep. And what happens is when you do this repeatedly, your body naturally gets tired around 10 and wakes up around 4:30 without even needing an alarm. That's the level of health that you need to be peaked out in your mental and physical performance. And finally, number 6, it's your fitness. When you control your fitness, you feel stronger, you feel greater, you feel faster, you feel more confident. You also become healthier and you also look sexier. When you lean down and the muscle starts coming out, I'm telling you, your confidence will 10x. And that you have direct control over. You can actually control and mold your body and increase your confidence every time you step in the gym and that you eat healthy. Your fitness is one of those key attributes that you should be controlling to 10x your lifestyle. Boys, that's it for your boy. Did I lie? Those are 6 things that you have direct control over that I promise you, you do what I tell you, you're gonna change your life. That's it for your boy. See you next time.